Thought I could find my way back home, but I get lost alone. But when I'm with you, I'm no longer wandering. And when I'm with you, I swear I can breathe. And when I'm with you, I know who I am and who I wanna be. Well, I am wide-eyed with a penchant for running. But how many times does it take till I find that I'm lost when I'm alone? And that's not where I belong. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm no longer wandering. When I'm with you, I can finally breathe. When I'm with you, I swear to God, I swear to God, I'm who I wanna be. I'm who I wanna be. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive.
I vow to be your rock in the best and worst times, whether that is on a beach in Hawaii or there are house chores to be done. I vow to be loyal and caring and always prioritize our family. Selfishly, I am happiest when you're laughing or giggling, and so I vow to do my best to make you smile and laugh. Because you are the passenger princess, the best passenger princess, I vow to drive you on road trips and around town. I also vow to explore the world with you and experience new places together. I also vow to plan these trips because we know you don't like planning trips. I vow to get you as many gummy worms as your stomach can handle. I also vow to take care of you when you have tummy aches, when you eat too many gummy worms. Je jure de t'aimer pour tellement et toujours.
Philip, since the moment we met, I knew you were special. I can still fondly remember the first night we talked and feeling an instant spark as you sat across the couch from me. I knew I wanted to get to know you more, and doing so has been the best decision of my life. From that night until now, you are still my favorite person to talk to and the person who I want to share everything with. On the best days and the bad days, I know that everything will always be okay with you by my side. I feel so lucky to be chosen by you, and I vow to choose you each day for the rest of our lives. You continue to impress me every day with your intelligence and curiosity. I love that when you become interested in a new topic, you can't wait to learn everything about it and then of course share it all with me. I'm so happy that I know more about credit card points and Liverpool players than I could have ever imagined, and I promise to continue listening to your facts for a lifetime. You're my best friend, and I love life with you. I love that we always have the most fun together, whether that's a quiet night relaxing in our home or enjoying an amazing vacation that you have perfectly planned. No matter where we are, your humor and silliness bring me so much joy, and I vow to continue belly laughing with you forever. Oh, there's more. Even more. I love how deeply you care for the people you love and how strongly you value family. I love how intensely you work towards your goals and how you support me and challenge me to be better every day. And most of all, I love that you will do just about anything to make me smile. Like hiding gummy worms to surprise me with on long days, making me laugh when I'm obsessing over something silly, and refilling my tea when I'm comfy on the couch, even if you are too. I vow to always appreciate you and see the best in you as we journey in life together. These last 6 years have been filled with more love, laughter, and fun than I could have ever imagined, and I can't wait to continue building our life and family together. I vow to be your teammate and biggest supporter, and above all, I vow to love you today, tomorrow, and all the years to come. Je t'aime tellement et tu joues Philippe jusqu'à la fin du monde.
Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me,
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You're too eager for us.
I am.
You may kiss the bride.
when on the way, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me to come home.